previously I told you, right, that I was so much into making pretty UIs because I was a developer, so I didn't have much idea about it. And so after learning from the course, I implemented all my design knowledge and processes into it, and then landed a job in product designing. I got with a 50% increment also.
Working as a UX design manager at Material Plus, where I'm working with. It's a service-based company, and I'm working as a UX designer. I'm leading a team of some 6-7 designers here. In the past, I've worked with advertising, from where I pivoted to product design. I got somewhere around, yeah, it's close to 40 only. I mean, it's 40%.
I'm currently in associate manager role. My next promotion will be of manager. I was earlier as a senior consultant in a big four, and I got a good hike, around 50% hike from that to this position.
I can say it was helped me for to evolve my skills in design. Second thing, I got the increment after this course. Second thing, and still I am performing well in my current company due to I choose Intellipaat course. Whatever I got the guidance by the my tutor. So it was great experience, and it is still helping me, and I am still continuing with the Wipro. It's 5%.
So at Grow Jockey, I basically starting as an intern. So at first I work as an intern for approximately 2 to 3 months, and then working as an associate UI/UX designer. And after that, I switched to Ample Designing and Development Solution. From last approximately 2 years, I'm working here as a senior UI/UX designer. So first I enrolled as a only UI/UX designer, and based on my skills and improvement, now I'm working as a senior, and there are 2-3 people junior team I'm handling right now here. There is a 100% hike in my salary.
I was in HR in Info Edge India Limited. I was able to crack a job for myself after going from HR to Wharton Labs Technologies. So that's where I started growing as a UI UX designer.
My current organization, which is Securize Techno Services Private Limited, I joined as a senior web designer. I found out that Intellipaat is giving postgraduate course in UI UX design, which I took. And after completing this course, I am promoted to UI UX designer now. So all of a sudden, within a span of 2 to 3 months, I am almost talking about 40 to 50% hike.